Oh, wow. And see, guys, we so cool cow. Guys, we are back. Okay, we're gonna looking for toys again, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, this place. We found a place, guys. To collect the toys, guys. Wow. Yeah. There's toys under. Oh no. Wow. Where's the toys, guys? Let's go. We're looking for toys, guys. Let's hunting and found the toys, guys. What? Can see, guys? This is small one, guys. Wow, this is toys. What toys is? Oh, this is airplane, guys. Whoa, look, so big airplane. See? Whoa, so cool. Let's go at it. Wow. Yeah. What? What is this, guys? Find more, guys. Wow, this is helicopter, guys. See many kind of helicopter, guys. Wow, so cool. Yeah. Let's collect it, guys. Wow. And then next, what is this, guys? Black and white. Wow, this is the animal, guys. This is cow, guys. Oh, wow. And see, guys, we so cool cow. Let's collect it, guys. And then, what's this, guys? Wow, this is siren head, guys. See, guys? Whoa, siren head. Yo, let's collect it, guys. Let's go, guys. Find more, guys. Wait, wow. This is the animal, guys. This is crab, guys. Wow. Wow, amazing crab. Let's collect it, guys. Yeah. Yo, let's go find more, bro. Whoa. Look, many toys in here, guys. Let's collect it all, guys. Okay, guys. This is Triceratops, guys. See? Whoa. Yo. And then, this is giraffe, guys. Look, so cute animal. Let's collect it, guys. And then what is this, guys? Wow, this is fish, guys. This is Nemo fish, guys. So beautiful, so many, and then so cute. Let's collect it, guys. And then wow, this is shark, guys. See? Whoa, scary shark. Whoa. Let's collect it, guys. And then this is Max, guys. Max of Captain America, guys. Good fighter, leader of Avengers. So cool, right? Yay! What it? And then this is Train, guys. Thomas Train, guys. Yay! See? Awesome. And then what is this? Wow, this is zebra, guys. See, guys? Wow, so fast when they run. Cool. And then this is truck, guys. This is whole truck. See? Wow, so big. The little one is so big, yeah. Awesome. Let's collect it, guys. Is it all, guys? We already collect all, guys. Wow, it's a lot of toys, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'll see you next video. We're gonna fun and then hunting the toys more and more, yeah, guys. Okay, guys. I'll see you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Bye bye, guys.